Hey, what's going on YouTube, my family and my friends? It's Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. Show you what I'm working on. Alright, so there's this, I have this King Tut, the Pharaoh's Egyptian head here, right? And what I want to do is I want to turn this, will add rhinestones to the design. So first you got to think, where would rhinestones go where they won't overlap vinyl, or where they can replace the vinyl and still make it look appealing? Alright, so when I look at this design, sure enough, the circle here, these slithers of the circle, this side here, let me change the color for you, this side here, alright. Say you want to put rhinestones in these parts, the teal parts, aquamarine parts. If you click on it, the line, let's first change the color, because if we put blue stones on top of that blue line, we won't be able to see them. So change the color to like cobalt blue. Click on the line. Now say you want to put SS10 stones there. I'll go to my SS10s. I'll click on it. Go to my place and fill tab. One island to the inside, add stones, leave everything as is, and I hit island fill. See what happens there? And you're like, what happened? Well, what happened? I don't know what happened. Well, there was not, the line isn't big enough to fit those stones. Let me show you here. I went down here to my add a stone, add one stone, that's what it is, add one stone. Click on that, and you click on, let's bring that stone to the front. Well, let's send that line to the back. Let's hit Control S to save it, and there it is. Alright, now visually to our eye, if we move it in, we're like, man, that stone could fit right there for sure. But since you can't use the actual tool over here to say island fill that whole line with stones, it just does this section here. See, we clear the paths and remove overlapping stones, and now let's just Control S it, bring it to the front. It only got that section. So to fix that, all you need to do is, let's delete these stones, click on your line, go to your place and fill tab, inside add stones, one island, keep the space in the fill line spacing the same, but then just add 0.01 to the contour spacing. Well, no, we don't need stones there. I'm sorry about that. And let's go to the outside. So click on this line. We want one island to the outside, no stones, with our contour spacing at 0.01. And hit island fill. As you can see, it makes that line just a little thicker. Now what we can do is we can delete the inside like so. Let's change the color to yellow. Click on the line and now do an island fill. You have to change the contour spacing back to 0.075. You have to make sure the stones go inside and add stones, and now do island fill. As you can see, it got the whole line there represented by the, let's clear the paths, merge overlapping stones, and once I save it on my side, then the stones pop up. Okay, not bad. It definitely got more of the line this time, right? But let's get rid of all of that yellow one more time and just repeat the process. Click on the line, outside, no stones, 0.01 for the contour spacing. Do the island fill there. Let's change it to pink this time. Get rid of the island and inside. Change the stone color like the blue. Click on it. Remember to go inside, add stones, 0.075 for the contour spacing in the inside. And now island fill, clear the paths, merge overlapping stones, and boom, voila. Got most of that line. Let's change the line back to black. Boom. So we know now that we had to do 2.01 contour spaces on the outside to make this line thicker. So now on this one, we can click on that one, hold shift, click on that one, hold shift, click on that one. Let's weld those lines together there. Outside, no stones, 0.02 now, because we knew we did it twice over here at 0.01, so this time we'll do 0.02. Island fill, let's change it to, let's keep it black, but then let's go in there and delete that one out the inside. See, boom, delete that. Now let's go back to these blue stones. Inside, contour spacing 0.075. Add stones. Click on what you want to add stones to, and then island fill. Clear the paths, merge overlapping stones. Remember to save your work, and there you have it. Now, well, there's the double up of a stone right there, but let's fix that real quick. Delete that stone. Click on this stone, hold shift, click on that stone, that stone, that stone, that stone, that stone, that stone, that stone. Let's just go all the way up to the top. Holding shift, clicking on the stones, and then replace stones to make spacing equal button right here. Boop! Hold shift, clear the paths, and we're done. Everything else looks pretty clean and clear. Alright? If you're definitely liking this video and that helped you to create faster rhinestone templates in CorelDraw, or to actually, help you, when you're trying to put stones on a line and you wonder why it's not working, just thicken up the line a little bit. The line has to be thicker than the stone in order for the stone to be placed inside of it. And if you've gotten great value from today's video, remember to smash that like button. Also leave a comment down below if this video has helped you with your CorelDraw. And I'm out.